Hello dear students, welcome to lecture number 6 of chapter lines. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 4 of exercise second. Now we are starting from question number 5. Find the perpendicular distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y plus 1 upon 3 is equal to z plus 10 upon 8. Now the point's coordinates are given 1, 0, 0. Suppose P has coordinates 1, 0, 0, and we are going to find the perpendicular distance of point P from this line. Suppose M be the foot of the perpendicular. N के coordinates find करने हैं और distance PM find करना है. Given equation of line is x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to z plus 10 upon 8 is equal to lambda. Suppose now we are going to find the general point on this line, means that are considered to be point coordinates of point M. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 2 into lambda, 2 lambda, y plus 1 is equal to minus 3 lambda, and z plus 10 is equal to 8 lambda. Therefore x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 1, z is equal to 8 lambda minus 10. Therefore let point M has coordinates 2 lambda plus 1, comma minus 3 lambda minus 1 and 8 lambda minus 10. Therefore direction ratios of point M of segment PM are this 3 lambda plus 1 minus 1, means that is 3 lambda plus 1 minus 1, comma minus 3 lambda minus 1 minus 0 and 8 lambda minus 10 minus 0. That is, we can say that 3 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 1 and 8 lambda minus 10. Sorry, it is 2 lambda plus 1. It is 2 lambda. 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1. Now these are the direction ratios of segment PM. Now we know that the line is perpendicular. Direction ratios of line we'll write, but direction ratios of given line are 2, minus 3, 8. As PM is perpendicular to line, we can say that 2 into bracket 2 lambda minus 3 into bracket minus 3 lambda minus 1 plus 8 into bracket 8 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 3 plus 64 lambda minus 80 is equal to 0. Therefore this 4 lambda, 9 lambda and 64 lambda, 68 plus 9 is 77 lambda minus 77 is equal to 0. Therefore 77 lambda is equal to 77. Hence the value of lambda is 1. Now put this value of lambda 1 in this. Therefore foot of perpendicular M has coordinates 2 plus 1, minus 3 minus 1 and 8 minus 10. That is, we can say that M has coordinates 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. These are the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular, and now we are going to find the length of segment PM and perpendicular length. That length of PM is equal to under root of, use the distance formula, 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. Use the distance formula, that is equal to under root of, it is 4 plus 16 plus 4, that is root 24. Under root of 24 means we can write it as 2 into root 6, that is 2 root 6 units. Means the perpendicular distance of the point 1 comma 0 comma 0 from this line is 2 root 6 units. Please note down it. We'll continue from question number 6. Now look at for question number 6. Find the shortest distance between the lines r vector is equal to 4 I cap minus j cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap minus 3 cap, and r vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus mu into I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Now we know that the formula to find the shortest distance between two lines is given by magnitude of a2 minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Means here we are going to find b1 vector, b2 vector and a1 vector, a2 vector first. Considering these lines as r vector is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1 and this line as r vector is equal to a2 into mu into b2 vector. Now given equations of lines from given lines are r vector is equal to 4 I cap minus j cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and r vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus mu into I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Therefore, a1 vector is 4 I cap minus j cap, b1 vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, a2 vector is I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, and b2 vector is I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Now first of all find out b1 cross b2. Now b1 vector cross b2 vector is equal to determinant this I j k 1 2 minus 3 1 4 minus 5. These are the components of b1, these are the components of b2. Now we'll take the cross product, that is nothing but solve this determinant. This minus 10 plus 12, minus 10 plus 12 into I cap minus j cap into minus 5 plus 3 and plus k cap into 4 minus 2. Therefore, b1 vector cross b2 vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now, after finding the cross product of these two vectors, we will find the magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector, that is equal to under root of 2 square is 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is under root of 12, that is nothing but 2 under root of 3. This is magnitude of b1 cross b2. Now we'll find a2 vector minus a1 vector. a2 vector minus a1 vector, that is equal to, this a2 vector is I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, minus a1 vector is minus 4I cap minus minus plus j cap. Now therefore a2 vector minus a1 vector is I minus 4I is minus 3I cap and plus 2k cap. This minus j cap and plus j cap can cancel. This is 2k cap plus 2k cap. Therefore a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 vector cross b2 vector, the cross product of these vectors dot a2 minus a1 means it is nothing but minus 3I cap plus 2k cap dot this a2 minus b1 cross b2 is 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now take the dot product. It is nothing but minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to minus 2. Now the shortest distance between lines, shortest distance is equal to mod of a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Now substitute the values. It is mod of this dot product is minus 2 upon this magnitude is 2 root 3. Now this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Perpendicular distance is 1 upon root 3 units. 1 upon root 3 units. Please check it and solve it. Now look at for question number 7. Find the shortest distance between the lines r vector is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus lambda into 2I plus j minus 3k. R vector is another line, second line. I vector I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus b into 2j plus 2I plus j minus 5k cap. Again the same question is there like the question number 6. Now we'll write the equations of the lines. Given lines are 2I cap minus j cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap, and here it is I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus j cap minus 5k cap. Now from the given equation of line, first of all we will write a1 vector, that is position vector of point a1 vector, that is 2I minus j. Then b1 vector, this is b1 vector because first line is r vector is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. b1 vector is 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. a2 vector is I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, and this another vector is 2I cap plus j cap minus 5k cap. These are the vectors from the given lines. Now first of all we'll find b1 cross b2. This is ijk. Components of b1 are 2 1 minus 3 2 1 minus 3. b2 is 2 1 minus 5. Now it is I cap into bracket minus 5 plus 3 minus j cap into bracket minus 10 plus 6 and plus k vector k cap into bracket 2 minus 2 means it is minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap. This is b1 cross b2. Therefore magnitude of b1 cross b2 is under root of 4 plus 16, that is under root of 20, that is 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Now a2 minus a1. a2 is I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, minus a1 is minus 2I cap plus j cap. Now I minus 2I is minus I and plus 2k. Now a2 minus a1 is minus I cap plus 2k cap dot b1 cross b2 is minus 2I cap plus 4j cap. Now take the dot product. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is nothing but equal to 2. Means it is mod of, now a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 is 2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2 is 2 root 5. Therefore we can say that this shortest distance between the lines is 1 by root 5 units. 1 upon root 5 units. Got it? Please note it. Now look at for question number 8. In question number 8, the equations of lines are given in Cartesian form. After all, we have to find a2 vector, a1 vector, b1 vector and b2 vector. And we can find it. Now equation of first line is, equation of first line is x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z minus 3 upon 4. Therefore, point on the line A has coordinates 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we can write a1 vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. And direction ratios of line are, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, b1 vector is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. In this way we have found a1 vector and b1 vector. Similarly, we can find a2 vector and b2 vector. Also, another line is x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to y minus 4 upon 4 is equal to z minus 5 upon 5. Therefore, we can say that point on line is B with coordinate 2, 4, 5. Therefore, we can write a2 vector is equal to 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. And direction ratios of second line, direction ratios of line are, what are the direction ratios? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 means this is b2 vector. Therefore, b2 vector is equal to 3I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Now, remaining process is same. That first of all, we will find b1 cross b2. Now, b1 vector cross b2 vector is equal to determinant this I, j, k. Components of b1 are 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and components of b2 are 3, 4, 5. Therefore I cap into bracket 15 minus 16 plus j cap into bracket 10 minus 12, sorry, minus j cap 10 minus 12 plus k cap into bracket 8 minus 9, means it is minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. This is b1 vector cross b2 vector. Therefore magnitude of b1 cross b2 is equal to under root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 6, and a2 vector minus a1 vector is equal to, a2 vector is 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap, that is equal to 2i minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Therefore a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 is equal to, it is I plus 2j plus 2k dot b1 cross b2 is minus I plus 2j minus k, that is equal to 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Therefore shortest distance between lines is equal to mod of a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 vector cross b2 vector upon magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector, that is equal to a2 minus a1 is I plus 2j plus 2k, sorry, its dot product is 1 upon magnitude is root 6, therefore we can say that it is 1 upon root 6 units. It is 1 upon root 6 units. Check it for this question carefully. Now we'll see question number 9 again. Now look at for question number 9. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Same question is there. Again we have to repeat the same procedure. Equation of first line is x plus 1 upon 7 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 6 is equal to z plus 1 upon 1. Now the coordinates of point, comparing it with x minus x1, these are minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, these are the coordinates of point. Then a1 vector is minus I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Okay, and direction ratios of lines are 7 comma minus 6 comma 1, therefore it is 7 I cap minus 6 j cap plus k cap. Now another line is x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 5 upon minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 upon 1. Therefore the point on this line is 3 comma 5 comma 7, 3 comma 5 comma 7. Therefore its position vector is 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap. Now direction ratios of line are 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, therefore it is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, now b1 cross b2 is ijk, components of b1 are 7 minus 6 1 and b2 is 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 1. Now it is I cap into bracket minus 6 plus 2 minus j cap into bracket 7 minus 1 and plus k cap into bracket minus 12 plus minus 14 plus 6. That is nothing but minus 4 I cap minus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap. Now b1 cross b2 is under root of 4 square is 16 plus 36 plus 64. That is equal to under root of 116. That is 2 root 29. 2 into under root of 29 because 29 4s are 116. Now a2 minus a1. a2 is here 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap minus a1 is plus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. That is nothing but 4i cap plus 6j cap plus 8k cap. Now take the dot product. It is 4i plus 6j plus 8k dot. It is minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k. It is nothing but minus 16 minus 36 minus 64. The dot product is 116. We can write it as minus 116. This is nothing but mod of minus 116 upon, this can be written as under root of 116. Means it is nothing but under root of 116. That is 2 into under root of 29 units. 2 into under root of 29 units is the final shortest distance between these two lines. Please take a screenshot or note down it carefully. Now look at for question number 10. In question number 10, the points A, B, C are given and D is the fourth point which is foot of the perpendicular drawn from point A on BC. Find the coordinates of D. यानी इन पोजीशंस पॉइंट्स की ऐसी है कि BC एक लाइन है और पॉइंट A से BC पर परपेंडिकुलर डाला, उसका फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर D है. ये BC D के एक ही बाजू को हो सकते हैं, इधर या दोनों अपोजिट साइड में भी हो सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एक आइडिया हमने लेने के लिए ये फिगर निकाली है. यानी हमें एक आइडिया कैसे मिलती है कि B and C are 2 points. यानी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC. लाइन BC का इक्वेशन हम निकालेंगे और A is the point outside the line BC. फिर D के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम जनरली कंसीडर करके फाइंड करके फिर AD का डायरेक्शन रेशियो निकालेंगे और BC is perpendicular to AD. Therefore we can find the value of lambda, particular value of lambda for finding the coordinates of point D. यानी इसके इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, सबसे BC लाइन का इक्वेशन निकालना, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. फिर एज यूजुअल हमने जो पहले 4-5 क्वेश्चन किए हैं टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट फ्रॉम द लाइन और फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर, वही सेम तरीके से करना है हमें. तो गिवन पॉइंट्स B and C are, given points are A with coordinates 1, 0, 4, B with coordinates 0, -11, 13, C with coordinates 2, -3, 1. Therefore, equation of line BC using x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. अब यहाँ पे x1 y1 z1 और x2 y2 z2 हम किसी भी पॉइंट को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं हम इसको भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं या इसको भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। हम सी पॉइंट को करेंगे क्योंकि छोटे कोऑर्डिनेट दिख रहे हैं, इसलिए हम इसको कंसिडर करते हैं। जैसे x माइनस x1 यानी x माइनस 2 अपॉन x2 यानी 0 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू y माइनस y1 यानी y प्लस 3 अपॉन y2 इज माइनस 11 प्लस 3 is equal to z minus z1 is z minus 1 upon 13 minus 1. Therefore, we can say that x minus 2 upon minus 2 is equal to y plus 3 upon minus 8 is equal to z minus 1 upon 12. इसको minus 2 से divide करो, that is we can say that equation of line BC is x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y plus 3 upon 4 is equal to z minus 1 upon minus 6 is equal to lambda 6 we can write. For coordinates of point D के coordinates के लिए हमने ये consider किया lambda, तो therefore we can say that x minus 2 is equal to lambda, y plus 3 is equal to 4 lambda and z minus 1 is equal to minus 6 lambda. Therefore, x is equal to lambda plus 2, y is equal to 4 lambda minus 3 and z is equal to minus 6 lambda plus 1. Therefore, let D has coordinates because point D lies on BC. Point D कहाँ पर है? Lies on BC. Therefore, D has coordinates lambda plus 2, comma 4 lambda minus 3, comma minus 6 lambda plus 1. We can write since point D lies on BC. Line BC. Line BC पर है point D, इसलिए D के coordinate हमने ये consider किए. अब therefore direction ratios of AD are lambda plus 2 minus A के coordinate 1, comma 4 lambda minus 3 minus 0 and minus 6 lambda plus 1 minus 4. That is lambda plus 1, comma 4 lambda minus 3, comma minus 6 lambda minus 3. And direction ratios of BC are, BC का इक्वेशन जो निकाला है 1, 4, minus 6 as AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, we can say that 1 into bracket lambda plus 1 plus 4 into bracket 4 lambda minus 3 minus 6 into bracket minus 6 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda plus 1 plus 16 lambda minus 12 plus 36 lambda plus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, now 36 plus 16 is 52 plus 1, 53 lambda and 18 minus 12 is 6 minus 6 plus 1 is plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that lambda is nothing but equal to, therefore lambda is nothing but equal to minus 7 upon 53. तो ये लैम्बडा की वैल्यू डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स में हमें यहां पे डालने हैं. ठीक है, आपने ये लिखा हो तो मैं ऊपर का थोड़ा सा साफ कर देता हूं. क्वेश्चन तो आपने लिखा ही होगा, तो डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम यहां पे निकालेंगे. लैम्बडा की वैल्यू -7/53 यहां पे डालेंगे. देयरफॉर डी हैज कोऑर्डिनेट्स लैम्बडा की वैल्यू -7/53 + 2 कॉमा 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो -28/53 -3 और -42/53 + 1। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन जब करेंगे तो यह आएगा -7 + 106/53, ये -28 -159/53 comma -42 + 53/53. Therefore D has coordinates. Final coordinates of D are 99/53 comma -187/53 और ये आएगा 11/53. These are the coordinates of, 1 minute we will check it. For coordinate D coordinate, last Z coordinate is here 95, but it is not 95, it is 11/53. Once again we'll check it. For line BC, C has coordinates 2, -3, 1. क्वेश्चन इन नोट्स का जो आंसर है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गलत हुआ है, 95। फिर भी आप एक बार चेक करो अपने हिसाब से, ये 11/53 चाहिए एंड इट इज करेक्ट बिकॉज -7 and -6, ओके सॉरी, इट इज +42 it is 95/53. ठीक है, because the value of lambda is negative and here it is minus sign, it means it is +42/53 + 1, that is 95/53. It is correct. Check it. Answer in notes is correct. तो आज के लिए यहीं पर रुकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से हम लेंगे फिर इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.